guys, what's up? Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to unbox the Force Majesty of Shiny Xyrneas EX in the Shiny Gold Tin. Bam, 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 let's go blam!
I'm crazy though. Like that you first.
Okay, so what is in this Shiny Xyrneas EX Tin? So on the sides we got a Zygarde EX, a Shiny Yveltal EX, and a Shiny Xyrneas. Cool! Xyrneas EX, well, shiny. We got an XY Evolutions, a XY Steam Siege, and then we got a XY Fates Collides. Who would rock paper scissors to go first?
No.
Oh.
No, like rock. I don't.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Okay. What should we open up first? Okay, XY Fates Collides, here we go. Okay.
I can open that.
Okay. So we have a code card. Code card. Three from the back. One, two. That's okay. What do we got here? A dome fossil Kabuto. Altaria Spirit Link. Bent Spoon. Deerling. Carbink, Fennekin, Diglett, Seal, Ammonite, Hollow, Reverse Hollow, and a Marowak Regular Rare. Now you open the next one.
Open it.
I thought it's your turn. Don't steal any booster pack. Don't open any other ones like the other one, like before. I began at EX. Because remember, this. Code card. Yep. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Nidorino. Wait, is it the... No, that's... Okay. Revive, Misty's Determination, Fairy Energy, Voltorb, Tangela, Poliwag, Seal, Ghastly Reverse Hollow, and Misty's Determination, Full Art! Oh!
Not to dab.
What the heck? Stop doing that. So annoying. Now, the XY Steam Siege with a Yveltal Break. Okay, here we go. Nosepass is knocking on the door. There. Code card. Fluffy. Fletchender. Pokemon Ranger. Nosepass. Chimchar. Nidoran. Clauncher. Fletchling. Ampibomb. Oh, this is not the rare.
And
Ampibomb Reverse Hollow and Cloudster Regular Wear. And last the XY evolutions featuring a Venusaur. And let's see here. Okay, just strap.
That's nobody.
Code card. 3 from the back. Just like so. Let's see. What the? A Chinese executor. Wait, this is Dr. Uyama. This is Dr. Uyama. Dr. Uyama Executor. Trainer maintenance. Coughing. Poliwag. Grass energy. Rodita. Vulpix. Electabuzz. And Magma Reverse Hollow and Clefairy. What? How is this? Hello? Why is it a Clefairy holographic?
There we have it, everybody.
Wait, I forgot to say the holos. So we got a
don't forget
Reverse Holo.
Don't forget to
Xyrneas EX. An Ampabomb. Misty Starter Termination, Full Art, Clefairy Holographic, Omanyte Reverse Holo, and a Ghastly Reverse Holo. So there you have it. That's Xyrneas EX. Bye. Oh, forgot to say.
don't forget to
Please
subscribe.
Please
Like it.
please put a like. Comment on what we should unbox next. Also, don't forget to hit the bell. Yeah, smash that bell button. And if you want to hear some more future videos. Bye.
Sight. Bye.
Sight.
Damn.